Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe Potter and this is the Vintage Underground. Thought I'd jump into something that we've been dancing around for quite a while on our YouTube channel and in the shop, and it's actually a pretty significant move for us in that we are moving into the conversion of vintage cars to electric. We didn't jump into this as something we would just add on to the business. This for us is a whole new direction for part of our business. This is one we've been investing in for quite a while. We started back in early 21. We have hired engineers out of the EV world. And as you'll see from these cars we're working with, these are completely disassembled, down to zero chassis. We're not doing a conversion. We're doing a build. We're doing an EV build. Really wanted to get into this and share this with all of you and really show what we've been doing, a lot of this behind the scenes and a lot of engineering going on to get to this point. There's a lot of ways to go about this that result in differences in the final product, and really it comes down to, the biggest one is range, and the second is drivability and performance. We have chosen Series 2 Jaguar coupes to start with, and we have two in play right now. One of the motivators of using the E-Type was the independent rear suspension. There's a lot of room up inside the back of an E-Type where the entire suspension is in a package, in a cradle. It takes up quite a bit of room. In removing that and putting an electric system in there gives us a lot of room where we don't have to modify the car and we can fit this package in there. And that's what this is. This is the back end of an E-Type Jaguar and our designs for electric conversion, with the gearbox and the motor and everything self-contained, inline drives out to the axles, independent rear suspension. And it also allows us the entire engine compartment for batteries. That also opens up the tunnel fore aft for us to run our electrical cables and cooling. E-Types are nose heavy, and we actually improve that. Our battery pack and cooling system up front is going to be less weight than the original internal combustion engine. I am a big advocate of a balanced car. In the ICE world, that if you put more power into it, you've got to put more chassis into it, more suspension, you've got to put more brake into it. And with electrical, it's the same. You've got now a significant torque improvement on this application. That means we've got to have better brakes and better suspension, which is what we've created here to handle what is a different power application. We got significantly more torque available at a much lower speed, and we have to be able to accommodate that and still maintain a balanced car that's not weirdly out of shape. With this setup, we're targeting 240 miles with fast charging capability. So we're going at this from a point of view of meeting the modern standard of EV and charging. Our goal here is to produce a really nice driving vintage car with modern electric components. It's rolling fast. There's a lot going on now. All this engineering's done, and then we're going to start assembling and having a roller here shortly. So we're pretty excited. We'll have some updates and videos as this gets more and more entertaining as it goes on. Please do like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.